Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn CSS and HTML fast. Begin by understanding the core structure of HTML documents, focusing on essential tags like div, p, and a. Then, dive into CSS to grasp how styles are applied using selectors, properties, and values. Consistent, hands-on practice is key. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to coding. This foundational approach will accelerate your learning journey significantly. The fastest way to solidify your knowledge is through practical application. Start by building small, manageable projects. Try creating a basic personal portfolio page, incorporating images, text, and links. Then, challenge yourself to replicate a simple website layout, paying close attention to navigation bars and content sections. Experiment with modern CSS layout techniques like Flexbox or Grid to understand responsive design principles. This hands-on approach reinforces concepts quickly. Leverage the wealth of resources available to you. Websites like MDN WebDocs offer comprehensive guides and examples for both HTML and CSS. Interactive coding platforms provide immediate feedback, helping you understand concepts faster. Don't forget the power of your browser's developer tools. They are invaluable for inspecting elements, debugging styles, and understanding how your code renders. These tools can save you hours of frustration. Once you have a solid foundation, begin exploring more advanced concepts. Dive into responsive design using CSS media queries to ensure your websites look great on all devices. Consider learning a CSS preprocessor like Sass to write more organized and maintainable style sheets. Remember, consistency is paramount. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to coding, building new projects and refining existing ones. Mastery comes with persistent effort and continuous learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.